and this is my first time eating mushroom. As we are done cooking and as I enjoy the tasteful mushroom samosas,
and also, as you can see, we also added the stalks. This is
hello farmers, foodies. Today we are doing farm to fork, but before we get to the fork, we have to pass through the frying pan. So I have my guest here today who will be cooking for us. She will start by introducing herself and telling us what we are cooking today.
So hi guys, my name is Anita of Zawita Sprouts. I'm also a mushroom farmer, and today I'm hosting the beautiful guests, and we are preparing a beautiful meal of mushroom. We'll do a mushroom stir fry and also be doing mushroom samosas.
So now guide us to get us all the way.
Yes, so for starters, our mushrooms are organic, so we are just going to go straight into cutting them. You can cut them into your preferred size, it does not matter. We have our ingredients here. We have the basics, onions, tomatoes, garnishing with parsley, and some seasoning for your liking. We also have samosa pockets over here. You can be able to see, I think you'll see as we go. And then yes, we'll be able to try it, and then you'll see how it goes. There are so many recipes you can try with mushrooms. You can do spring rolls, you can do it as a stew, eat it with rice, eat it with ugali. It's very diverse. So you can try any other recipe, or even give us comments in the section. You tell us how you like yours, and we'll be able to enjoy all of us. So let's get straight into it. We'll start by cutting them. I'll just show you how I do mine.
Yes.
Just do it into small cubes.
So as you cut,
Yes.
I've noticed you didn't wash your mushrooms.
Yes, we didn't. Because our mushrooms, as I said, they're very organic.
Yes.
So they are not infested with any insect, any bacteria.
Yes.
It is not infested. So what we do, I do cut the leafy part and then leave out the stalk.
Yes.
Because one, the stalk has a lot of water. Also, the mushroom has water content.
Yes.
But it will dissolve as we cook. But the size doesn't matter, it depends with your liking. Usually because we're doing samosa pockets, we like to do them in small cubes because the spacing of the pockets is quite small. I'll add some oil. Also use as much oil to your liking. You can use any amount that you like. Let the oil heat up a bit. Please also, you can share under the comment section how you like to cook your own mushroom. We can share our recipes with each other and also enjoy.
And you can also tell us where you're located for us to share our recipes with you too.
Yes, as I said before, I'm also a mushroom farmer located in Kasarani and Kangundo Road in Kamulu.
How long have you been farming?
I've been farming for the past 1 year, completely. We left employment and ventured into farming.
Are you
There
making
is where
money?
the passion is.
You're making money?
Yes, I can tell you it is lucrative.
Because someone told me it's a little bit of passion and more of money.
Yes, it does balance itself.
Okay.
If you put in the work, put in the process, you'll enjoy.
Okay.
Yes, so once the oil has heat up, we'll add some onions.
Is it specifically we use red onions, or we can go with white onions?
You can do a white onions. It's just you use whatever you like. It's according to your liking. So this is just the basic type of way how we, especially me as Anita, I use what I use. So I've used 2 large onions because we'll be cooking quite a big kg of mushrooms. I will let that saute for a few minutes until it turns to golden brown. So our onions are ready. Next we are adding in the tomatoes. Let me just do hygienic. Yes, we just add in some tomatoes. I've done 3 big tomatoes, so we'll use that. For it to break down easily, usually add in a pinch of salt. It breaks the tomatoes faster when you're cooking.
So we let it caramelize.
Yes.
For a few minutes.
Yeah, we let it soften. I'll just add a lid onto it. So when our tomatoes are broken down a bit, this is where you come in with your preferred spices.
Yes.
Because we want the spice to cook before we put in the mushroom.
Okay.
So you can put a bit of paprika.
Yes.
I'm using paprika for now for today.
Yes.
I also use a bit of cayenne pepper.
Yes.
Just for flavor.
Okay.
You can use any spice of your choice.
Okay.
Also, the spices help the tomatoes to break down faster.
Okay.
I'll also add one beef stock, this cube,
Okay.
so that it's also cooked before we proceed. I'll actually add 2.
Sure.
Yes, for the flavors to mix well before we put in the mushroom.
So we add the mushroom before the bell peppers.
Yes. The bell peppers will just come in for garnishing cover. You want them crunchy a bit.
Okay.
Because they'll take a few minutes before they have water content, so you'll see. And also, as you can see, we also added the stalks. This is very rich in fiber.
Yes.
So for those people who want to eat more fiber, we advise you to eat this from the mushroom. It also helps in weight loss, immunity. You know, mushroom has a lot of health benefits. So we add in our mushroom.
As our mushrooms turn into a beautiful orange color, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
You can also follow us on our social media platforms.
My TikTok at Oglist, Instagram at Oglist, Facebook at Oglist. Yours?
TikTok, Zawita Sprouts AgriFarm. Instagram, Zawita Sprouts AgriFarm. You can also follow Shamandogo on all social media platforms. Our mushroom is 60% done.
Anita?
Yes.
What are we adding next?
Next, you're adding capsicum.
Yes.
Just for a touch
So
of
can
color.
I do that for you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So we let that simmer
We stir it.
for a few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes.
And then the dry content, the water content will have dried up a bit.
Yes.
Then we just garnish and that's it. So our mushroom is ready.
Yes.
The only thing we'll do, we'll just add garnishing it
With the
you're liking with dania
yes.
or coriander if you call that.
If you're from the
That's
lakeside.
enough. Yeah.
Dania is never enough.
Okay. Put as much as you want.
Dania is never enough.
Yes.
So we let it cook for a minute.
Yes.
It's time for me to taste,
Yes.
and this is my first time eating mushroom. It's yummy.
Like it?
Very much.
So, as you saw, our mushroom is ready. We want to do the samosa pocketing. Fill in the mushroom from here. You can just do 2 scoops of the mushrooms.
Like
You
this.
fill it in, press it down a bit so that you get more space. And then add to your liking.
Yes.
So when you do that, this is what we have. Our samosas are ready. The oil is also hot.
Yes.
You'll just dip them in.
Okay. As we are done cooking and as I enjoy the tasteful mushroom samosas, I will leave you with this. Mushrooms can be prepared in different ways, and you can share your recipes on the comment section, and remember to like, share and subscribe.